Et bonjour à tous, on se retrouve pour la suite de l'aventure. Alors, oui, tout à fait. Alors. Je pense qu'on va partir pour aller faire une mission. Ah oui, hier en vous quittant, il y avait une petite lettre sur ma tente. Je disais donc, il y avait une lettre d'une Mary Linton. Je vais vous la lire vite fait, qu'on va la relire. Lettre. Lettre de Marie. On avait du coup. Euh, Cher Arthur, j'ai dû écrire cette lettre des centaines de fois et je n'y arrive toujours pas. C'est moi, tu me reconnaîtras à mon écriture affreuse. Je sais que la dernière fois qu'on s'est vu, quand j'allais me marier, je t'ai dit qu'on ne se rappellerait plus. Je sais que j'ai dit beaucoup de choses et je l'ai pensé à l'époque. Mais je n'ai plus aujourd'hui cet orgueil qui m'empêchait de parler aux gens pour qui je compte et pour qui j'ai compté. Ça fait 2 mois et une semaine que je me suis installé à Valentine. J'ai une... J'ai eu quelques soucis, mais bon, c'est une longue histoire et elle n'est pas très intéressante. En tout cas, c'est là que je vis pour l'instant. En ville, j'ai croisé des filles, qui était dans ta bande et j'ai entendu parler d'un homme qui pourrait bien être toi. J'aimerais beaucoup te revoir. Si tu as un peu de temps à me consacrer, je loue une chambre à la ferme Chadwick, au nord de Valentine. Du coup, l'histoire m'intéresse. Et du coup, on va bien entendu aller voir tout de suite cette mission. Et qui est cette Mary Linton? On n'oublie pas qu'il faut étudier pour mon encyclopédie. C'est très très important pour mon encyclopédie. Je veux absolument savoir ça. Allez, viens là. Non, non. Alors, déjà, non, on fait on apaise. Il s'est pris une petite balle, le pauvre. Ah, bon, on va le brosser, même si c'est pas le moment. Voilà. On va revenir. On commence à se faire attaquer par les Audricelles de plus en plus, hein. Je peux pas prendre les cadavres. Non, c'était eux que je voulais leur donner de fuir, hein. On peut les détacher? Go, go. Ah. Voilà. On fait comme on peut, hein. Et voilà. Tout ça, ça a été fouillé. Oui, ben, c'est ça que je voulais faire aussi. Nourrir. Alors, on s'occupe de Nunu. Tranquillement. On va se boire un truc. Euh, Vas-y, tant pis, on va entamer un peu la bouffe. Hmm, on va reboire lui aussi. Et comme ça, on voit un truc qui remonte la santé. Euh, ok. Ah, comment ça? Non, mais il faut arrêter. Ah, mais il faut arrêter de se foutre de moi aussi, hein. Ah, il faut arrêter, hein. Il est pas mort, en plus, il est juste tombé. Il est tombé légèrement. C'est repercuté et il est tombé. Je ne reconnais pas cet acte. Ce n'est pas de ma faute. Alors, oublions tout ça. Ce début d'épisode est catastrophique. Il est 10 heures, on va aller voir Mary.
You could have stepped in. I thought you had it covered. Just wait till you're old.
Mais
I'll be in camp if you need me.
j'étais là? Dommage.
Boy,
Ah, il y a une affiche de capture ou de machin, mais on le fera plus tard. J'ai vraiment envie d'aller faire la quête avec Mary. Des petits moutons. Sympa le Porsche. Euh, alors juste, on va se prendre... voilà. Équipe-toi avant de partir.
Yes?
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to disturb you, ma'am. Is Mrs. Linton in?
I'll go see. Mrs. Lemon, a collar for you. Hello, Arthur.
Mary?
I heard you and your friends was around.
Okay. Where's what's his name?
Died.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Happened a while ago. Pneumonia.
Bad business.
Sure.
So, well, you've been made a widow and you come here looking for me, is that it?
No, ain't like that, Arthur.
Oh, okay.
Listen, Arthur, I'm... my family. I need your help.
You mean the family that always looked down on me? And you want me to help them?
It's my little brother, Jamie.
I always liked Jamie, at least compared to the rest of them.
He's broken Daddy's heart.
Daddy has a heart.
Don't make me beg you, Arthur.
My money, my life, me. I wasn't good enough.
I'm sorry. We need your help real bad. Little Jamie's joined the Chelonians, that strange religious order.
Good for him.
They're quite mad, Arthur. They'll kill him. You're the only person he'd listen to.
So, I'm too rough to marry into your family, but it's okay to ask me to help in saving your family.
I'm sorry. I understand if you don't want to help me, but I think of you often.
Long time ago now.
I'm begging you, Arthur.
I say let Jamie live Jamie's life and not the nightmare that his daddy dreamed up for him.
Jamie's so innocent, Arthur. Please, Arthur. Will you help me?
Ah, c'est dur. C'est dur de dire... mais je pense qu'on va l'aider, effectivement.
Please.
Je pense qu'on va l'aider.
I'll take that as a yes.
Where is it?
Somewhere out near Carmody Dell, I think. The rancher there said he'd seen him around the Cumberland Forest. I just want him back, Arthur. If you find him, bring him to me at the station.
I'll see what I can do.
I'll owe you.
You already owe me.
Alors, où es-tu, petit frère de Mary? Tu es là-bas. Eh ben, on a fait du chemin pour être là-bas. Heureusement, avant de décider de si je veux vraiment l'aider, il faudrait que je me renseigne sur Il faudrait des renseignements sur le... Sur le...
Right, boy?
Sur ce groupe chrétien. Mais bon, vu qu'on n'a aucune info.
How are you, ma'am?
You have caused enough trouble around here.
Ah bon? Ok. Elle m'apprécie pas, la dame. Parce que j'ai causé comme problème. Le seul cas où j'ai été pris, c'est parce que j'ai fouillé un petit cadavre. Des gens qui m'avaient attaqué, hein, en plus. Hein. C'était mon droit. Tous les autres ont été réduits au silence. Donc, personne ne sait rien après.
Yeah. There, boy. Whoa, easy.
Un aveugle ici, qu'est-ce qu'il fait là?
Penny for the blind.
Qu'est-ce qu'il fait ici?
Penny for the blind. Penny for the blind.
Je veux bien, mais
Penny for the blind. Help a blind man. Okay, here you are.
merci.
That which is killing you will help you finally to see. And see clearly, friend. See and hear. All right. Well, I'll have to take your word for it.
C'est le fort là-bas? Ah oui, c'est le phare. Hein. Ok.
Okay, boy. Let's go.
Continuons sur notre épopée. Un coyote, probablement.
Oh, sir, just in time. Oh, you're a good man. A good man. Ah, well. Damn you, Dan. Whoa.
Oh là là, non, dommage. Mon frère. T'essaies pas de voler mon cheval quand même. Hop, j'ai récupéré ma pièce que j'ai donnée à l'aveugle. Alors, allons voir ce petit groupe religieux du coup.
Slow it up.
ago, the great Chelonian master led pilgrims across the Lannahechee to the wilderness.
Gentlemen,
Shell of safety. 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 Shell of safety.
can I speak to the boy?
Arthur?
Hello, son. Your sister is very worried.
The boy has chosen a path, sir. The path to truth.
Well, his sister just wants to speak with him.
Arthur, I've chosen a path.
The boy has chosen a path. He's chosen safety. What path have you chosen, sir?
I'm still searching, I guess.
We are all searching. Chelonianism is about searching. What do we search for, do you think?
I don't know. Safety? Safety and meaning?
Jamie knows the truth. But of course, you may speak with him.
Exactly. If your teachings are so great, what harm can I do?
I'm not coming with you, Arthur!
Just come and speak with Mary, then make up your mind!
Leave me alone, Arthur! I didn't ask for your help!
Et pourquoi ils s'enfuient comme ça? Jamie, ne me force pas. Jamie. Jamie. Il court vite ton cheval. Hein.
They're just using you, telling you what you want to hear.
What the hell do you know about it, Arthur?
For Christ's sakes, Jamie, just hold up a minute.
I was doing just fine by myself!
Non, tu t'en sortais pas bien. Je suis là pour apporter la vérité avec mon lasso et mon revolver. Mais on skip la dernière partie.
Talk about this.
You pop up out of nowhere?
Come on, you ain't stupid. You can see this is crazy.
You're the crazy one!
Come on, Jamie, your sister's worried about you.
I don't have to answer to you!
Et c'est quoi son cheval? Et...
Sorry, mister.
Damn it, we gotta do this the hard way. What are you gonna do, Jamie? Live the rest of your life in the mountains with those people?
They're my friends!
Non, c'est pas tes amis.
Alone, I'll shoot you! I swear it!
What are you talking about? You ain't no killer.
You don't know who I am!
Ça marche pas ces manœuvres. Ah non, le train. Non mais...
Please, Arthur! I'm a man now. I found something. A calling.
You're just a kid. You're making a big mistake.
I'm not taking advice from you. You're an outlaw. You leave me alone. They're good people. I'm warning you, Arthur Morgan. Leave me alone.
Please, kid. Put that gun down.
I warn you, Arthur. I'm gonna... I don't want to live anymore.
Kid, just calm down.
Leave me alone.
On appuie maintenir ça pour maintenir la jauge.
Go see your sister.
Il est fou.
Okay. Okay.
It's okay, kid.
Have I been a terrible fool, Arthur?
I don't know. I don't know enough about it. But one thing I do know. There ain't no shame in looking for a better world.
I missed you, Arthur. Are you and Mary sweet on one another again?
Oh, no. That's all a long time ago, son.
Ta sœur veut plus de moi, hein. C'est fini, hein. C'est fini, hein.
Well, this wasn't how I thought today would turn out.
It's been a long time, Jamie Gillis. You were a kid last time I saw you. Didn't try to kill yourself.
You know, you taught me how to ride a horse.
Too well, apparently. Chelonia, though? Really? You'd fall for that?
They were very nice to me. They're decent.
I'm sure. Please tell me you didn't give them any money.
Of course I did. They rely on charitable donations.
Jesus, Jamie, come on.
I just wanted to believe that there might be something good coming my way one day. Guess that's dead in the water.
With the turtles.
Shut up. All Father kept telling me was, you won't amount to anything. You're not enough of a man. I had to get away. I couldn't take it anymore.
Forgive me, but your father's a bully and a coward. Don't listen to him.
Hey, don't talk about him like that.
What do you want me to say, Jamie? He's a good father? Nice man?
He won't be happy I saw you.
Please send him my worst regards.
Thing is, he's right. I'm not good at anything.
Come on, that ain't true. Tell me something you like.
Well,
Don't think too hard.
Oh, c'est grave, hein.
I guess.
C'est pommes.
Apples?
Oh là là.
Love apples.
Okay. I was thinking more along the lines of carpentry or horses or something, but all right, go work in an orchard then.
By that token, you must really like shooting and robbing people.
I only like shooting young idiots who run away from me when I'm trying to help them.
Father told me what you do.
I'm sure he did.
Hey, are you still with Dutch and what was his name? Hester?
Hosea. Yep, still the same, sort of.
And Annabelle and Bessie?
I'm afraid they're dead.
Shit. Maybe Mary did make the right choice.
No doubt. But none of it is anything like the nonsense you read in the newspapers. Here we are. She must be waiting inside.
Probably shouldn't tell you this, but they say the widow Carter.
What's your problem?
Ok.
You're nervous about seeing her, aren't you?
Il a raison. Je ne peux pas dire le contraire. Ah, pas moi, mais le personnage d'Arthur, hein, je parle. Il n'était pas bien, la revoir.
We going in then?
Jamie! Jamie! Come home. Please. Father's been very sad.
Father wouldn't know sadness if it died in his bed. But I'll come home for you.
My boy. My sweet boy. Come on. Oh, Arthur. Thank you. Thank you.
It's good to see you, Mary.
And you, Arthur. And you. You're... Oh, you'll never change. I know that.
feel like the luckiest man alive, and I feel like a fool. That woman confuses me and plays me for a fiddle like no one else alive. I trust I will not make a god-awful fool of myself once more, but somehow I imagine I shall.
Come on. Give a fella a nickel. Give me a dime. Give me something.
On regardera après.
Excuse me, but I need some money. I fought in the war.
Move!
I fought for you. Watch yourself. Hey, brother.
I'm too old to get a job, mister. Way too old.
Can't we be friends?
Non.
Sure.
I'm so happy. I ain't had a friend in a long time. Long time. My last friend died. Weren't my fault. They said it was, but they was wrong. It's fun being with you, mister. Can I hold you a second, mister? Can I?
Okay, just quickly.
That felt good. It's nice to be held sometimes. Oh, we used to hold each other in the war. You got sad eyes, mister. Like you seen sad things. Remember with kindness.
Okay, boy.
Evening, friend.
Look out!
On va s'accepter une petite mission de shérif. Soit...
Very own avenging angel. Look on the wall there if you're after another quarry.
Alors, examiner. Qu'est-ce qu'on a? Ellie Answan.
Nasty individual.
25. Non, c'est pas ça que je voulais faire. Hop. Une rançon de 25 $. Alors, tuer son mari, d'accord. Rechercher vivante. Les environs de Cumberland Fall. Ok. Non.
That one? They say she's sleeping rough near Cumberland Falls. And what's more, they say she ain't sleeping alone.
Ouais. Et bon,
Relentless in her pursuit.
bien entendu, c'est mon but.
Okay.
Alors, Cumberland, c'est par là. C'est quoi ce point? Tiens, on regardera c'est quoi en même temps. On va faire le trajet. En plus, ça va être de nuit, c'est parfait. C'est pas mon problème. C'est pas notre problème.
Why are you doing this to me?
Il y a plus important, nous devons aller chercher notre veuve noire.
Good boy.
C'est bien aussi un peu des... Pas que la journée, mais la début de nuit et tout. C'est beau, c'est vraiment beau, le jeu est beau. Il est agréable.
Easy, easy.
Ouais, elle doit être vers le haut plutôt, je dirais.
Easy.
Mhm. Parce qu'il faut que je repère des traces, peut-être sur une bordure d'eau du coup.
Nice and easy. Easy.
Il y a un loup. Non.
Boy, easy.
Eh bien, la petit loup. Mais je pourrais pas la mettre sur mon...
Come on, boy.
Il faut que je m'éloigne un peu. Parce que j'ai fait des coups de feu, donc je suppose qu'elle est considérée comme méfiante. On va aller voir les coups de tir.
Now get me the hell out of here.
You want to go the other way?
Come on, shoot the lock.
Alors. Hop. On libère personne, Audrissol.
Let's go, boy.
Personne n'est libéré. Je l'aimerais pour vous, mais moi je vous ai vengé. Nourrir. Allez, on y retourne. On cherche des traces. Peut-être plus bordure d'eau, c'est ce qu'on avait dit.
Find nothing else I had.
That means you killed your sweetheart.
Where do they get such nonsense? You're my sweetheart. Now come over here. Come here. Willie weren't my sweetheart. He was a bully, okay? And he got what was coming. Now, you're gonna come over here and romance me?
It says there's nothing else.
That there's a bounty hunter. Get him. Dumb little boy.
Bah alors. C'est-
Come
You are a piece of work. Now, come here.
rot in hell. Rot with the rest of them.
Alors, qu'est-ce que tu as pour moi? Ouais, tu traînes. T'inquiète pas, hein, je te rejoins. Quand j'ai fini de tout looter. Ça, le viande en conserve.
All right, let's go.
Don't you manhandle me.
Alors, je vais juste fouiller.
Just isn't your day, is it?
Tu n'auras pas besoin de tout ça
Go.
en prison. Par contre, du coup, je peux pas. Ouais. Donc, je te jette là. On va le dépecer. Ça va pas être une belle peau et tout. Mauvais état, ouais. Allez, reviens ici, cheval. Hop. Ouais, viens là. Hop, va dessus.
Could get bumpy. Settle in. You got a ride ahead of you.
Et on y retourne.
Oh dear. What came over me? Did I just do those things? It's a horrible blur. But I see blood. There's blood everywhere. It won't come out. I'm not like that. I'm a good girl. Really. I promise I am.
Be quiet with that.
Voilà, on va pas faire de préférence, hein. L'autre, il avait subi ses coups. Elle peut les avoir aussi.
Yeah, that's it, boy.
I need help, okay?
Ah,
I have an ill.
This the help you're looking for?
Ça, c'est une très bonne aide, Arthur, hein. Tu tues des gens, c'est bon, c'est pas ton problème. Tu restes assommé,
Strong man.
tu parleras avec le shérif.
I ain't falling for it.
Ça rend au moins des bonnes discussions, genre. Discussion, ouais, j'ai du sang et tout. C'est intéressant à suivre. Et pas, on ne corrompt pas.
You sad sack of shit.
Ouais, ouais, moi aussi, je suis d'accord.
More like it. Hush.
Elle avance très bien, la construction, hein. Eh ben, elle avance super bien.
We're coming up on the jailhouse. Anything else you want to try on me?
Just get me there. You're no fun at all.
I'm
Ah.
afraid I ain't.
Elle a arrêté de parler. Ah, trop bien. Elle a compris que ça servait plus à rien. J'adore.
You order a lady killer here, Sheriff? Yeah, we did. Put her in the cell, won't you?
I protest my innocence. I protest my innocence.
She might be a little shaken up. She lost another feller out by the falls.
Poor dear.
Men just got a habit of dying around you, don't they, Mrs. Swan? I hope you'll be comfortable, miss. She'll be fine. Now come get your money off the desk here. The Black Widow herself. This town's so starved of women, I'm sure she could find herself a husband yet. That's cowboys for you. Indeed. So it seems this town's got more pressing problems than outlaws. Gonna take some time off posting bounties, impose law and order on the streets.
That man has a heart of stone. It's silly to keep me locked up in here. I mean, what am I gonna do? Just little old me. Let me out to exercise a little.
I'm immune to your charms, Mrs. Swan.
It's so boring in here. Can we have some fun, Sheriff? Just the two of us?
And to think you was sniffing around this office at one point. I'm lucky you was charmed by another.
You see, Sheriff,
Incroyable.
I know your secrets. And I could spread them all over. Like Miss Moria?
Don't you dare mention Mora again. Now hush.
Oh, show me some sympathy, Sheriff. I'm a widow. A poor little widow. You forget?
They can say what they like about you, but at least you respected the sanctity of marriage.
Till death do us part.
En vrai, incroyable. J'adore. Arrête de t'enfuir!
Yep.
Voilà, mon cheval. Voilà, merci. Franchement, j'ai pas envie d'aller là. Ouais. On va juste... Ah! Je suis désolé, mon cheval.
Alright, boy. There, boy.
Tout va bien, je suis désolé. Une petite glissade qui s'est fait.
Yeah, okay, boy.
Hey, stop right where you are.
Okay there.
You're in this thing.
Pourquoi les gens veulent toujours me voler? Je comprends pas. Ça, c'est important que je sorte. Voilà, l'arc, c'est plus facile.
Plan, fellas.
En plus, ils ont un coffre à l'arrière, mais c'est parfait. Euh, On va faire une usée et tout. Moi, je vise pas très bien, hein. Par contre, en termes de visée, c'est un peu la catastrophe. Allez, donne-moi le coffre. Non, je... Ça, c'est intéressant. Ah, des balles partout. Du stimulant. De l'huile. Médicament miracle. Médicament miracle. Vas-y, je vais le prendre. L'huile pour arme. Euh, C'est quoi? C'est état. L'arme doit être nettoyée. Hop. On va le faire. Pistolet, parce qu'on l'utilise beaucoup. Ok, nice. Hop, et on continue notre chemin.
Alright, boy.
Putain, on peut donner des coups de pied. Comment on donne des coups de pied de... Ah, ok. Ah.
Open the damn lock. Or give me the damn key.
It's a stage company lockbox. We don't got Mister. Help!
Hey, shut up.
Christ!
Bonsoir.
You alright there? Ain't gonna harm you
Mister.
anymore.
I don't hardly know what to say. Thanks, I guess. You done me a service. Hey, look. The stage company's gonna write this off as a robbery anyway. If you can get in that lockbox, you can take what you want from it. It ain't stealing if it's already stolen.
Oh.
That right.
Ah, nice. Balle pour carabine. Il n'y avait pas grand chose à part des balles pour carabine. Ok. Non, on va pas fouiller. Comme ça, je perds de la... Ok, étonnant. J'ai perdu de la répute pour... Ok.
Yeah.
Il y a le point blanc, je veux... souhaite aller voir ce que c'est. Et... On va essayer d'aller voir ce que c'est. Merde, j'ai pas vu le message du coup, ce que j'étais en train d'étudier.
Just don't understand this at all. Hey, over here.
What's the problem?
Problem? No, there's no problem. Quite the contrary. Well, there is a problem. For me, but not for you.
All right. I ain't got time for
No, wait! Give me a minute of your life. I might just change it forever. I'm sure you will have heard of me. Maximo Cristobal Valdespino, the renowned explorer.
this. Can't say I have.
There has been much written about me. I once had high tea with the Viceroy of India. I helped liberate South America. I've climbed mountains and swum across seas. I have had many women. I've spent the last 3 months hunting treasure on the American frontier. Beautiful country. Reminds me a lot of Almeria. But tomorrow I set sail for the island of Shikoku in the Japanese archipelago in search of the legendary Tokushima Sapphire.
Well, good for you.
No, hold on. You see this map here? It was made by the Jack Hole gang. They rob banks all the way from here to California.
Yeah, I know who the Jack Hall gang are.
Oh, them you have heard of, but me? Huh. Well, rumor has it they buried gold somewhere in this area, but were killed before they could retrieve it. They created 2 maps to ensure it was well hidden. This is the first and should lead you to the second. You just need to follow the landmarks drawn here.
Me?
Yes! Unfortunately, I am out of time now, but I am prepared to sell it to you for the low price of $10. A trifling investment for a man such as you, given the potential returns.
Ah, what the
Donc, qu'est-ce que c'est 10 dollars, hein?
A very wise investment. I wish you the best of luck.
Vous avez découvert une carte, ouvrez votre sacoche pour la garder, comprendre les indices. Tout à fait. Alors. On a une montagne avec 2 petits pics. Avec un village en dessous. Oh la vache. Et le trésor se trouve vers les pics. Ils veulent pas que j'aille faire la mission de Jack Chick, hein. Ok. Enjeu. Est-ce que c'est probable d'ici? Hmm. Mhm.
Okay, boy. Let's go.
C'est bien par là. Ouais. Je me demande si on a un récupératif.
Hey, boy.
On a un récupératif de toutes les quêtes un peu parce que.
Do you smoke, sir?
Sure, but perhaps not as much as you.
Oh, no, don't worry about these. Actually, take some. Take a couple of packs. Take a few.
Oh, thank you. What are all the cigarettes for? Are you heading on a long journey or something?
No, nothing like that at all. I'm just interested in the cards.
Okay.
The cigarette cards. Oh, you got any?
Yeah?
Well, get them out. Let me take a look. Come on.
A little picture card?
Yeah, I'll pay you a good price.
Okay. Here.
Ah, nothing I haven't got. The value is in completing the set. Sometimes I'll smoke up to 200 cigarettes in one day, just so I can keep opening the packs. I wish I could explain to you the pleasure and the pain I get out of collecting these babies.
Sure. It sounds,
Thrilling? Yeah, it is. Not to mention the vast amounts of life-reaffirming cigarettes I get to smoke. Oh, and the amount of money? A veritable fortune, sir.
fortune.
Oh, sure. A complete set of any series is worth a fortune. Yeah, look at this. Gunslingers. Over here, circus freaks. Yes. Meow meows of the desert. So rare.
I never knew.
Sure.
How much?
Well, it depends on the rarity, sir.
Oh, of course.
Yeah. But, you know, if you ever get a complete set, I can take it off your hands.
You'd pay me.
A fair price. Now, you send them to me right here. Phineas T. Ramsbottom, at your service. Okay, I gotta run. This is my train. Look me up, okay? Think about this deal. Only a complete set. That's where the value lies.
Il y a vraiment toutes sortes de quêtes, hein, quand même. Alors, ouais, good boy, good boy. On va passer par le train. Je vais passer par le train. Le train vient de partir, donc on va miser sur le fait que on peut passer. Et sinon, bah, bonne chance à nous. Ah, regarde quand tu regardes ça, là. C'est beau. Non, non, tu retournes pas. Juste étudie. Tous les oiseaux étudient, au secours. Welcome to West Elizabeth, ok. Ça, c'est une nouvelle région.
Whoa, easy.
Hmm. C'est juste une...
Easy now.
Ça m'intéresse. Non. Bon. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait là-bas, lui? Je pense que... Hein? Blackwater est attention sur l'état d'alerte. La zone... Ah! Donc ça, c'est la région de Blackwater. Ok. Ok, ok. Donc ça va être la mission pour récupérer Seine. Ah oui, on reconnaît la banque et tout.
Uniforms everywhere. You see Sean? No, I don't think so.
Damn it.
Where's that little Irish bastard?
I'm not quite sure. Trelawney's off trying to find out.
Anyone been in the Blackwater, see how things lie?
Place is crawling with Pinkertons, bounty hunters, pictures of Dutch and Hosea.
Well, we got a lot of money sitting in that town.
And that's where it's gonna remain for now.
Why haven't they hanged Sean, I wonder?
I think he's bait. Well, they want to trial him publicly.
Gentlemen, Sean is being moved up the upper Montana, then to a federal prison out west.
Damn. Well, we can't be rescuing people from some federal prison. We either rescue him now or cut him loose.
We're not cutting anyone loose.
Of course not.
Ike Skelding's boys are moving him to a camp nearby before handing him over to the government.
So, I guess we need to stop them before they get to camp. Charles, why don't you head up on the north side, and we'll head up on the other side of the valley and meet you. That way we have them in either direction. Javier, Josiah, come on. Let's go see.
You know, Arthur, the government, or people whom the government like, seem to be very angry.
Sure. Well, we'll rescue Sean and then we'll get ourselves lost, good and proper. It's a big country.
I hope so.
Let's head upriver and find this boat.
Keep your eyes open for Pinkertons. They got patrols out all over this area.
Yes, south of the river, West Elizabeth isn't a very welcoming place right now.
It's definitely as bad as we feared in there, Arthur.
I keep hearing about this woman, Heidi McCourt. Some young mother, they're saying, Dutch murdered on the boat.
I don't know about that. I wasn't there. Bad day.
And no money yet, it seems. I hope you know where that is, at least.
Dutch and Hosea say they do, but it's trapped in the town.
Oh, it must be wonderful to have such trust in one's parents.
There, look. I think that's our boat.
All right, gentlemen. Follow me.
Huh?
We'll follow them. Nice and easy. Let's make sure it's him first before you go starting another war.
You think they can see us?
If they can, we're just three fellas out on the trail. Act natural. We'll be fine.
So, you've been gone for a while.
Much as I love dodging the law and sleeping in the dirt with you derelicts, I do have other business to attend to.
What happened in New York?
You know how life is. Never a straight road anywhere.
Especially with you.
Nice to know I'm missed, though. Have you run out of people to rob? Come on, let's keep them in sight.
You all right, Javier? You're quiet.
He hasn't stopped talking since we left you in Valentine. It's the longest ride of my life.
Cute, dear boy. Very cute. Push up, come on. Apparently, there's a camp somewhere around here where the bounty hunters meet and transfer before continuing out west. I imagine that's where they're headed. Look, they're pulling into shore. Get your binoculars out. Let's see what we're dealing with here.
So who are these bounty hunters?
I don't know too much about Ike Skelding's boys, but I hear they're a big crew, wild, built some reputation in the last year or two.
That looks like Sean to me.
Certainly kicking up enough of a fuss.
Yep, that's definitely Sean.
Oh, they're giving him a decent kicking.
Well, you can only imagine the shit he's been giving them.
Oh, yes.
They're taking him up the canyon.
There's Charles on the other side. Let's go.
What about the other two down there?
I've got an idea. Follow me.
Allez, on va libérer Sin. Sin.
We should do this quietly if we can.
Leave it to me, gentlemen. I'll go around and create a distraction. Then you two sneak across and do the dirty on them.
Okay. Crouch down out of sight. Take out your... Wait. Let's get in the river. Wait until he's got them off guard before crossing. Hold up, he's doing his thing.
Gentlemen! Gentlemen! Excuse me. Dear brothers, my wife is taken ill. Gravely ill.
What's the problem?
It's dear Bessie.
You take the one on the left. Okay, come on. Stay low.
I'm beside
Je te suis, Javier. C'est fou comment, là, Javier, actuellement, hein, Javier et même Bill, hein, d'ailleurs, les deux, par rapport au 1.
Come on, let's get up there.
A pleasure as always, gentlemen. I think you have it from here.
Come on. We got two halfway up the canyon to deal with.
Est-ce qu'on peut le faire discrètement?
Who's the guy you got them from? Is he alive still? Come on, focus. Oh. Focus, okay.
Come on! We need to get past these sons of bitches!
Where did these sons of bitches come from?
Move on!
Oula. Yeah! Plouf.
More coming in on horses! Up there, on the cliff!
Ouf. Ouais, c'est généreux.
I see Charles up there!
Il y a encore un?
Quick! Come on, let's get up there!
I'm quicking, I'm quicking. Hein.
Here's Charles!
All good?
Wouldn't
All
go
good.
too far.
The camp's up this way. Come on.
Je vous suis. Allez-y.
take the right. I'll go left.
Okay.
Let's take these hijueputas!
Goddamn army of these bastards. How much is Sean's bound? Maybe we can turn him in ourselves. Still time.
Kill you myself.
Alors,
Let's push forward! Look out! We got one shooting from the tower! Move up! Come on! We got more coming down the hill! That was close!
on en a des cinématiques. Puis il se bat à l'arc.
Look, they're running away! Okay, let's get Sean.
Hey! What are y'all doing? Arthur! You know, you're a lot less ugly from that other angle, Arthur.
Come on.
Do I get a hug, Arthur? A warm embrace for a lost brother now found.
You know, nothing means more to me than this gang. The bond we share. It's the most real thing to me. I would kill for it, I would happily die for it. But in spite of all of that, I would have easily left you here to rot if Charles hadn't stopped me.
I don't believe a word of that, Arthur.
Get him out of here.
You're a great man, Arthur Morgan. The kind of young whippersnapper can really admire.
Oh, shut up. Right, we should split up. Javier, will you escort Mr. McGuire back to camp? Charles, best you ride separately. Be careful. There's patrols everywhere.
What about you?
I'm gonna see what's worth taking here. I'll meet you back there as soon as I can.
All right. Okay, come on.
Have I got stories for you?
Yeah, I can't wait.
I imagine y'all missed me a lot. But fear not, the joy's back in your lives now.
Hop. On reste là, hein. Je sens que... Voilà. Voilà. Je te calme, je te laisse là. Ne me suis pas. Profitez pour loot. Ah. Moi, je peux pas abandonner tout le loot, hein. J'aimerais bien... Des tests que j'aimerais faire. Des tests que j'aimerais faire.
We're gonna get started now. Y'all hang back.
Le temps qu'ils partent, hein. J'aimerais bien essayer une dynamite pour voir si ça marche. Ok. Je vais juste... Ah, tant pis. Je le testerai pas, du coup. Ok. On verra la prochaine fois. Une prochaine fois. On est où? Donc on est là. Blackwater, donc ça c'est bien la ville ici. Là c'est quoi le petit point? Parce qu'il est temps que je rentre. Hmm. Ok. On va rentrer et on se fait... On va se finir le... On va se finir l'épisode sur ce départ. Euh, On va rentrer là. Bon, il semblerait que sur cette pleine lune et cette belle nuit qui s'élance, il ne s'est rien passé de particulier sur le trajet, donc je vais vous dire à la prochaine et au prochain épisode. Salut!